a new banana. Actually, I've got a bunch of bananas. This is my first time that I've used oil-based colored pencils and mineral spirits as a solvent to dissolve them. Up until now, I've only used Prismacolor pencils, added some Derwent Studio, and just did my blending with many layers and lighter colors on top, kind of burnishing with the lighter colors. That's all I've done. So I finally decided to take the splurge. I bought some Gamsol there, and this is it. This is my first attempt at mineral spirits and colored pencils using oil-based pencils there. And so my bananas, and that's it.